Hi, welcome back to my nail corner, you guys. We're going to do one more Halloween video. Those are the colors I'm using. I'll talk about them as I go, so don't be worried if you miss them, and I will always list them in the description box. These are my nails with builder gel on them, as always. And these are the vitamins I take every day. A hair, skin, and nail gummy vitamin. I get them on Amazon. They're actually really yummy. They're strawberry flavored, and I take 2 a day. And I get a lot of questions about, how to grow your nails, how to keep them strong when you're doing dip powder and acetone soaking and all of that. I highly recommend a daily vitamin that has, what's it called? Biotine, whatever it said on the front of that bottle. And that just targets your nail growth and your hair growth and all that stuff. So I find that that helps. In fact, I wasn't taking these for a while and then got back in the habit, and I'm just noticing that I'll shorten my nails, which I've done a little bit here. Not here right now, but prior to this video I shortened them down a bit, and they just keep growing back so fast. People keep saying oh, your nails are getting so long, and I'm like, I just filed them back. So I really do think it makes a difference to take a vitamin like that. So I am getting to my dip application here, and the first thing I'm doing is I am dipping in North Star Glow. I'll make sure the numbers for the Sparkle & Co. powders are in the description box. I think this one is DP 144, but that's just off the top of my head, so don't quote me. North Star Glow is just a white dip powder that glows white. It's great. I love glow powders. You know me by now. You know I love glowing things. So I am just doing basic dip application here with the glowing powder. And then I'll get into the rest of the design, and I'll talk to you guys about those colors when I get there. While I'm doing this basic dip, I will give you the rundown on Sparkle & Co. If you have not ordered from them before, make sure you use a discount code. So I have a discount code down below for Sparkle & Co. It's 15% off. Additionally, you can list a referral name in your checkout process, and if you list Kate Weatherby, that's me, and we will each get a $9 credit towards a future purchase. If you decide to sign up for a sub bag, which is their monthly subscription bag, and you list a referral name, you can get $18 in credit for a future purchase, and I get the same for referring you. You cannot use discount codes to purchase their sub bag. By the way, I used to get their sub bag, and then I canceled for a while, and I am on the verge of signing up again because I just keep seeing colors and then purchasing them in the buy sell trade group because they're killing it lately with the sub bag colors. So is that something you guys would be interested in if I did get the sub bag and then did the video each month when I get the sub bag showing off what's in it and maybe doing a mani featuring the colors? Let me know what you think. So here's a color I'm getting into called Sb13 Clear. SB means that it was a sub bag color. The original Sb13 was not a clear base. Somebody once requested it with a clear base, and now it became a secret menu color. It's been on the secret menu for a long time. I think this is one of the first things I ordered from Sparkle & Co. 2 years ago. It's a great glitter, you guys. I don't even know how to describe it, but it's fiery. It has I don't know, gold. You'll see it in the pictures and as I get going here, and I'm not describing it very well, but it's so pretty, which is why I had to have it when I made one of my first orders with Sparkle & Co. So that's what Sb13 Clear is. It's super pretty. I love it. It's a great topper, which obviously I'm using it over white here, but it can be all by itself, super pretty. I think it's gonna like a great holiday topper, around Christmas time and whatever, just to add more glitter to your life, because who doesn't want more glitter in their life? Look at that. How pretty is that? It's like snow, but it's not a silver glitter, you guys. It's got gold and colored facets to it. I also really think that the same glitter is used in their fall, what's it called? Fall into winter collection. It's, I want to say 6 or 7 colors with this glitter. I'm quite certain it's the same glitter in that collection. And the colors that I'm going to be using on my other nails are from that fall into winter collection. And if you've watched my videos and seen my manis by now, you'll know I'm not a yellow and orange wearing girl. I have like an olive skin tone, and therefore I dodge those colors like the plague. But I saw a video that Kate's Nails did for our Halloween 13 collab, and she did a vertical ombre, I think using the same color. She used definitely the gold and the orange. I'm not sure, I can't remember if she used Sb13, but she may have. And when I saw that vertical ombre, I was like, oh my gosh, these would be perfect candy corn nails, and I just have to do it because, in all honesty, I was like, I don't think I'll ever wear these colors. They've just been sitting in my drawer, and I've been like, oh, I should give them away or do something with them. And then I was like, these will make the most glamorous candy corn nails ever. I must do it. And of course, then I had to make them glow because everything should glow, especially around Halloween. Am I right? So this is how I am ombreing on my candy corn nails. I wanted an ombre, like a little blended. I didn't want the stark line or anything like that. So I'm just doing my usual thing. I'm putting the brush into the powder and then tapping it on my nail kind of where I want it. And then I'm being lazy and not using 3 brushes. Honestly, I didn't want 3 of my brushes to be glitter brushes. So I just wiped this off on the paper towel in between, and honestly, I didn't really have any contamination. It did fine. So I think as long as you're not like shaking it off into the next jar. The white one was the only one I was concerned about, or whatever, Sb13 Clear, and I really didn't have any contamination. So I think you can get away with it if you're just careful. So that's my first dip there. Make sure, you guys, when you're doing this sort of tapping on method, that you rotate the finger that you're putting the powder on side to side. I wasn't doing a lot of that, and honestly, it made for a little bit of filing work for me just because the sides weren't as built up as the middle. And I know better than that, but I think I just was distracted and not really paying attention to what I was doing. So you can see, like, I kind of move the brush from side to side, but it really helps if you tilt your finger side to side, like just kind of slowly rotate it while you're tapping on the colors. And that'll help you get like a nice even application too from side to side, and not really just like a mound in the middle. So that's a tip to you. Do as I say, not as I'm demonstrating for you right now. But I loved how these turned out for someone who's like not really into yellow and pumpkin colored orange. I loved these. They were really pretty fall vibes, and I was like, I think I could wear these colors. Like, these would be great like Thanksgiving time colors. So make sure you check out the fall into winter collection because all of them have these gorgeous glitters in them. They're so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and do my second layer of my candy corn nails, and then I'm going to clear cap, and then I will come back and chat with you guys in a minute. So thanks for hanging in there, and I hope you like this. Also, I feel like the candy corn nails are a much more like fun Halloween vibe, but this music is like one of the very few choices that is Halloween vibes in the app that I use for editing videos. So I'm sorry, because it's kind of ominous and I feel like it doesn't really match like the fun candy corn vibe, but here we are. Oh, and while I'm watching myself do it, make sure when you go back to do your second layer of ombre, which I'm speeding through right now, that you start with the opposite. So before I started with yellow and then went orange and then the white, and then when you go back, you need to do white and then orange and then the yellow, and that helps blend your transitions. So, all right, now I'm really gonna go. I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and dipped in my favorite clear. That half-ounce jar of double dip clear is my glitter clear, and I love it. It's such a good clear. I've told you guys before, and I will continue to tell you until I change my mind, that double dip clear is awesome. Also, their 2-ounce jar is only $14.99, and then you can use Kate25 to get 25% off of that, which is awesome. Also, right now they're doing their last game of the year. They did bingo earlier this year, and right now every order over $25 is getting a scratch off ticket, and you can win discount codes, you can win kits, you can win a gel lamp. They've got all different prizes in there, so make sure you get over if you're going to place an order and do it soon so you can get your hands on a scratch off ticket, because how fun is that? All right. So I washed like usual after I did my filing and buffing, but I wanted to use rubbing alcohol real quick just to get any extra dust or whatever off. I don't know, I was being extra today because I was doing a gel top coat, and I just don't want any kind of bumps or anything, so that's what I did. So I'm applying my gel base here. If you haven't heard me say it before, then you're new here, so welcome and thanks for coming, and please consider subscribing. We have lots of fun over here, and I'd love for you to join us and give me a thumbs up if you like this content and want to see more like it. So gel base before gel top helps prevent any peeling or chipping from your gel top coat when you're applying it over dip powder. So I highly recommend a gel base. These are Virgo and Gem, and they do the trick just fine. So consider those if you need them. I also have a discount code for Virgo and Gem down below. So, to catch my breath, you guys, I've just been rambling on. I have coffee in my hand, and maybe that's doing the trick. So coming up, I have a video that I'm going to be showing you guys. I said I was going to do a pretty basic dip application video and talk through all of the steps, so it'll be an updated if you're a beginner and need all the steps of dip powder. That's coming up. I have it filmed, I just need to do a voiceover for it. I also have not yet filmed, but got some Zia dip powders. One of our subscribers here requested that I do a review of their dip powders, so I ordered some. Those came in super fast, so right out of the gate, great customer service. I think I ordered on Saturday and they came on Monday. It's crazy fast. I have to see where she ships from because it must be nearby. Anyway, so I'm going to be doing that. I also got a bunch of stuff in the mail from MVP Nail Designs. Gigi over there has been in touch with me and wanted to send some stuff, and she is so sweet, and she sent me so much stuff. So I'm trying to decide between doing a live swatch video on my Instagram or doing I did my vacation haul video and just swatching them all and then showing them all off to you guys in a video. Let me know what you think. Maybe I will take your votes into consideration, so drop a comment and let me know, live swatching or just a demo in an upload. So now I'm finished. There's my top coat, and I'm applying my Cuticle Candi as per usual. There's also a discount below for Candi skincare. I love their cuticle oil. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you like this, and I will see you in my next vid. Bye now.